And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. What a wonderful world.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Aishwarya and today's video is going to be Radha inspired makeup tutorial. It's a pink and yellow floral jewelry inspired makeup. But before beginning into this video, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then go subscribe to my channel and also hit the notification bell next to it for quick updates. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. Firstly, I'm going to be using this primer. This is the Color Bar primer, so I'm going to be using this right now. Next, I'm going to be using this Fit Me foundation. Next, I'm going to be using this damp beauty sponge. I always recommend you guys to use a damp beauty sponge instead of a dry beauty sponge because this blends in the foundation really well and also doesn't absorb the product as much as a dry beauty blender would. Always blend the foundation towards your hairline as well. And also blend the foundation towards the neck. Now I'm going to be using this liquid concealer by Swiss Beauty. So this is a very good concealer. Actually, I have been using this since a long time. So I'm going to be using this now. And I'm going to be using this brush to blend the concealer. Now I'm going to be using the Lakme Compact to set my face. Done setting my face. Now I'm going to be doing my eyebrows. For my eyebrows, I'm going to be using this dark bronzer. This is a dark brown bronzer, so I'm going to be using this to fill my eyebrows. Using a flat sharp brush to fill my eyebrows. And I'm going to be filling very lightly because even Radha's eyebrows are very light, so I'm going to be doing it very lightly. Now using this brush which came with the eyebrow pencil, I'm going to be just brushing my eyebrows out. So I'm done doing my eyebrows. Now Radha's eye makeup is very subtle and very light. So I'm going to be using this Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette and I'm going to be using this shade. This is a pink shade, so I'm going to be using this shade all over my eyelids. One fluffy brush to blend my crease and all over my eyes. I think I used a little bit too much, so I'm going to be using this brush to take off any excess product. And also to blend it in my eyes. Usually this brush is used for your face, but I'm using it on my eyes as well. You can use your fingers to apply this shadow because it looks more settled and also blends in really well. Now I'm going to be curling my eyelashes. To be using this mascara by Colorbar. It's their Lash Illusion Duo, so it has both lengthening and volumizing side. Today I'm going to be using the lengthening mascara because I want more length than volume. So yeah, I'm going to be using this lengthening mascara. You can use any mascara which you have. So I'll quickly apply mascara to both my eyes off camera and then meet you guys. So I'm done applying mascara to both my eyes. My eye makeup is done. So let's move on to the rest of the base makeup. Using the LA Colors Highlight and Contour Palette to contour my nose. I don't know if I'm going to be contouring my face, but as of now I'm going to be contouring my nose. Using this flat fluffy angled brush to contour my nose. Using the same palette to contour my face as well, and I'm using this angled fluffy brush to contour. So I'm going to be doing a very light contour. Now for blush, I'm going to be using this Sugar Contour D4's mini blush in the shade 01 Peach Pink. I have hit the panel because I love this blush so much and it is almost being empty. I should restock on this. Almost done with the base makeup, but the only left part is to highlight, and I'm going to be using this LA Colors Highlight and Contour Palette to highlight. I'm using this flat fluffy brush to highlight. We are almost done with the makeup. The only part left is to use a lipstick, but today I am not going to be using a lipstick. Instead I will use this lip tint by Face Shop. It's their water fit tint in the variant Rose Pink. So it gives a very natural and subtle effect. Even I have seen Malika Singh using lip tint instead of a lipstick. So yeah, I'm going to be using a lip tint. Done with my makeup. Now I'm going to be wearing my costume, my jewelry and my bindi. By the way, all the jewelries are made by me, so all the tutorials are in my channel itself. I'll make sure to link all of them in the description box as well as in the I button. So yeah, I'll meet you guys once I'm done with that.